So I've got one of these little handheld vacuum cleaners, which are great for cleaning up around the workshop after small jobs. They come with a little charging lead like this, but the downside is that aside from being a little bit of a fiddle to plug in at the back, it's often fallen down the back of the table or got a bit lost, or maybe someone else has borrowed it and didn't realize they need to charge it for the next person. So if we can make this a little bit better designed by having it docked to the side of the wall, I thought if I use two magnets, it'll stick. And also if I use a bit of Sugru to basically mount this plug, and it makes it a little bit bendy, it should be able to dock in there nicely and keep it in a safe place while it's charging. So it slots in nicely, you can see it charging there. And it's great for use around the workshop. So if you click on the link below, you should be able to see a guide how to make this. And of course this is a nice sort of generic product that you could use it for all sorts of devices, to have them dock safely on the wall and also charge up. So thanks for watching. Let me know what else you make. Bye bye.